So sometimes we get really hung up in that the reformer might be the only place we think we can do footwork. It's very challenging on the chair. So we stand in Pilates stance and we sit very close to the edge. The spine has to be straight up and down. So initially just hold on underneath the chair and pull the spine up nice and tall. Pull the stomach and the ribs in and lengthen the back of the neck. Now down with the legs and up with the legs. Leave the hands there. Down with the legs, up with the legs. So let's do 5 and lift. That's it. Good. There. Now take your arms out and keep your spine there and do 5 more. 1 and 2. Keep lifting. 3 and 4 and 5. Leaving the arms here. Put your arches on, feet together, knees together. Now you should be pressing down on the top arm and up on the bottom arm, so I shouldn't be able to move since your back is really engaged. Now press down and up and push and pull. Down with the hips, up with the stomach, down and up. And 5 more times and 1. Lengthen the neck, lengthen the spine. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Bringing the pedal up. Now heels on, just like on the reformer. Toes are lifted, spine long, the arms are coming out of the back and the back is pulled in. And down and up. Pull back in your back. Pull the shoulder blades down. And 4 and 5. 5 more. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Lift all the way up. Now step off. And now we're going to go around, hands on the chair, 1 foot at a time on the pedal, push down in Pilates stance. All right, now you're going to not move the upper body. So when you do this exercise, don't go back and forth like this when the heels go up and down. So heels down, 2, 3, and lift in the stomach, and 2, and pull the ribs up, and 3, and lift, and 4, and lift, and 5, deeper, up, and 6, and deepen, and 7, as if you could do a pull-up, but you don't, and 8, and lift, and 9, and lift, 1 more down, and stay lifted. Move your hands back, 1 foot at a time on the floor, and lift the pedal up. Okay, now that was good. I like that one. I love that footwork on here. Okay, so additionally, let's do pumping. All right, okay? So we start in Pilates stance, okay? Then outward, together, and then 1 leg. Okay? So now, lift up nice and tall, and down and lift, and 2 and lift. Now there shouldn't be any motion in the body here. Stomach and back smash together. 5 more, 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Now rotate the heels open. Now this is parallel, down and pull. 2, stay still, 3, and 4, and 5. 5 more, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. And together, all the way, everything together. Now, let's go down with the legs together, just to warm it up with the legs together. 5, just 5 like this. 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Right leg out in front. Now let's do 8, and 1, and you're reaching, and 2, and 3, and 4, do 8, and 5, and 6, lift, and 7, and 8, change. Now keep lifting that leg. So you could spot here, if someone's a little weak and can't hold it out, straight up on the hip, lifting through the back, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and stop. Okay, off we go. Oh, that was a good one.